Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we are speaking about how to make money from PLR products. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the kind of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you can be notified whenever we upload more video. Now stick around to the end, because we are also going to have a dad joke. Okay guys, let's go check it out.
Smart business owners are always on the lookout for tactics and techniques that will make running their business easier, faster, and more profitable. One of the most difficult aspects of running an internet business is continuing to provide helpful, high-quality material for your customers. Newsletters, blogs, audios, videos, and e-zines are all examples of digital media. Thankfully, there is a tool to help with this. PLR, private label rights, makes consistent content development easier. As you'll see in this video, when you buy PLR material, you gain the legal right to utilize it in your online business in any number of formats you can do business. PLR is an info marketer's dream when handled correctly. It may make your dreams come true, but if done incorrectly, it can become a nightmare and cost you more time and money than it's worthwhile. In this video, I'll try to answer some of the most often asked questions concerning PLR, such as how to use PLR for your business, what the various rights mean, how to use PLR for your business, what are some of the all too common blunders made by numerous entrepreneurs when using PLR. Believe me when I say, this is a game changer. A shortcut that no forward-thinking online entrepreneur can afford to overlook. Okay, so what is PLR? The basics. PLR sounds like an aircraft or a record label to the uninformed. But rather than being simply another common internet acronym, it's one of the most useful shortcuts an entrepreneur can use to create excellent content for their audience. What precisely is PLR anyway? In its most basic form, you may buy articles or reports that have already been written. The author of the PLR site offers these articles or reports or videos, ebooks, and so on with unique rights that allow you to change and use them as if they were created by you, although there may be certain restrictions. So, PLR, or private label rights, is a method through which a business owner, such as yourself, may buy the rights to pre-created material and then use it in a number of ways as if it were your own. It's cheap too. About $1 each piece, because other people are buying the identical content. In a moment, I'll teach you how to set yourself apart from the rest of the users. Unlike ghostwritten articles, you'll spend a lot less for PLR. PLR material may be found on a wide range of topics, including health and fitness, internet business, parenting, pet training, and everything else in between. Usually, native language speakers write the best PLR. As a business owner, you may buy single pieces of content or bundles of articles for a modest fee, and use them on your website, blog, newsletter, podcast, and other platforms. Is this legal? Is usually one of the first concerns a lot of people ask. If the material was generated and sold specifically for the purpose of being offered as PLR, you are legally entitled to alter, use, and distribute the information in according to the precise rights you've been given. Why would someone sell PLR? Is the second question most people have. How are they going to earn any money? You might wonder. The answer is in the quantity. They may just charge $1 or $2 per piece, but they earn their money by selling multiple copies of the same item to a variety of business owners. You're undoubtedly asking what happens if a group of people buy the same articles and post them on their websites or in their newsletters. Will their customers notice or be offended that they're using somebody else's content? So, here's the actual deal about PLR. You should think of it as a jumping-off place for your material. Sure, you could just copy and paste it into your blog or e-zine as is, but smart business owners know that PLR only works if they put their own spin on it. I will go through how to achieve that, but for now, here's what you need to know. PLR is legal. PLR is simple. PLR is effective. PLR must be changed into a format that matches your brand and voice. PLR is an excellent resource for every company owner, regardless of the industry or niche you happen to be in. Who should use PLR or private label rights? PLR may appear to be just for huge business owners in specific industries, such as internet marketing or finance. While such niches have plenty of PLR material, you can discover PLR to suit practically any business. PLR is for you if you operate a business where you deliver blog posts, or write emails to your prospects and clients on a regular basis, or should be doing so if you haven't yet. A short scan of some of the most popular PLR sites reveals that the following sorts of material are available: finance and debt, health and fitness, crafts, weight loss, productivity, marketing and business, stress, self-improvement, home decor, pregnancy and parenting, holidays, pet care and training. Not only are there hundreds of categories of PLR material to choose from, but you can also modify PLR from one content field to your target market. We'll go over personalizing your PLR material in more detail later, but here's one example. You could quickly and easily add content to make it apply to the real estate market, the personal training market, the dog grooming market, and pretty much any other niche market where people are trying to get new customers online. For example, if you bought a pack of articles on using social media to get new customers. Stress, productivity, and self-improvement are all examples of this. It doesn't matter what niche you choose, you may work it to match your needs. Here's a quick rundown of the many sorts of businesses that might profit from PLR content. Business owners who are short on time and need help creating content. Online business owners who also have a day job and need a boost in content development. Bloggers or information marketers who struggle with writer's block on occasion. Entrepreneurs who want to start selling content in a variety of formats: audio, video, e-courses, autoresponder series, etc. and need some guidance. New business owners that are overwhelmed by the number of chores on their to-do lists and want to quickly and simply outsource something. Entrepreneurs that want to break into a new market and need to get up and running quickly. Finally, these are some of the types of businesses that PLR material might help: hairstylists, accountants, attorneys, automotive, transcribers, administrative, technical, and other service-based businesses. Product-based, in practically every business, whether electronic or physical, low cost or high cost. Consulting-based services include coaching, training, financial, professional, and other services. Membership sites and programs, periodicals, training, and so on are all subscription-based. Bloggers, podcasters, and forum owners are all part of the community. To summarize, PLR material has a place in any business. You owe it to yourself to investigate this adaptable and effective business tool further. What are the various PLR rights and what do they entail? Not all PLR rights are created equal when it comes to PLR. While PLR is used as a catch-all word for most content available, for private label rights, there are limitations and distinctions among the various types of rights. The legalities of PLR can be a bit complicated at first, because what you can legally do with the content is determined by the rights you received with the content. When you buy from a PLR site, the license or rights should be displayed on the page so you know what you're receiving before you invest in their content. There are a few different types of rights. Private label rights (PLR). Private label rights are a type of intellectual property that you have the legal right to alter the material. For example, edit, put it in your own voice. Add images, change the sequence of the information, cut portions, etc. Put your name on the item as author, and give it away or resell it for personal profit if you acquire private label rights. Turn it into a video. The biggest restriction is that you are unable to transfer the rights you have acquired to others. To put it another way, you can't build your own PLR site, then buy a bunch of private label rights content, and sell it to clients as PLR. You are the sole owner of the private label right. Unrestricted private label rights. Unrestricted private label rights. With this you may edit the material, add your name as author, give it free or resell it for personal profit, and pass the rights on to others, with unlimited PLR. In other words, unless the original author states otherwise, if you acquire or obtain unrestricted private label rights, you can distribute those rights to others by purchase or giveaway. If in doubt, double-check with the site where you bought the content. Recently, certain PLR sites have begun abusing this word. Resale rights are resale rights. You can resell the content for a profit, but you can't edit it, put your name to it, or pass the rights on to others if you have resale rights. Master resale rights (MRR). Master resale rights (MRR) are a type of resale right. I'm sure you can guess what this is. You can resell the material for a profit and pass those rights on to others if you have master resale rights, but you, and anybody who buys or gets the content from you, cannot alter it. Check the rights section of the material if you have any issues regarding the rights you have received or acquired. If you're still unsure about what you can do with the information, contact the original author to clear up any ambiguities. The last thing you want to do is run afoul of the copyright law and wind up illegally sharing stuff. Check it out if you're unsure.
Okay guys, it's joke time. What are my chances of recovery, doctor? Asked the bedridden man. 100% recovery. The physician reassured him. Medical records show that 9 out of 10 die of the disease you have. Yours is the 10th case I have treated. The others all died. You are bound to get well. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share? And leave a comment down below. Did you guess that this part of the video was created using an AI? Or did you think it was me speaking? Over here on the top left is a video I am sure you will like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And on the right is an icon you can press if you would like to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.